Hello, welcome to another episode of MK2 Golf Stories. Today we're going to be looking at the gear linkage. We can't seem to get this car in reverse or some other gears, so we're going to get everything lined up and get the gears feeling sweet. Without further ado, let's go. So, first job we need to do is undo this
retaining nut.
Yeah, thank you. Retaining nut, which holds the linkage onto the is that the lever?
Gear rod.
Onto the gear rod.
The rod, I think.
Onto the gear rod lever thing.
Rod lever, yeah.
So, just undoing that with a 13mm spanner. Is it a 13mm?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, with that bolt loosened, we need to get the gear stick in the correct position so we can then tighten it up. Otherwise, it'll be sitting to one side, and when you tighten it and then you try to put it in gear, the linkage isn't going to be lining up. So we do that with this tool. I'll put a link to the part in the description below. And this tool is quite simple to use. You've got this little notch on it, which lines up with this part of the gear stick down here. And then these bits go around this part here. So quite simply, wrong way around. There you go, and that should hold your gear stick in place while you tighten everything up. And now we just go round back to underneath the car, tighten that nut back up, and hopefully we should be able to get the car in gear nice and smooth.
Holding the rod in.
Right, where is it?
The rod that goes under the car.
Oh yeah.
I mustn't have had it in right before.
You what?
I mustn't have had it in right before. The box on the car here.
Let's tighten this up then. Okay, it's nice and tight.
Alright. Tight.
Yep. Let's take that off. Hopefully we should be able to get it into gear. Let's see how we get on. So reverse is one we were struggling with. Yep, goes into reverse now. Brilliant. First, second, third, fourth, fifth, I think. It's a bit hard to tell, but I think we've got gears there. Brilliant. Okay, there you go. That's how you align your linkages. Very simple process. If you found this useful, consider dropping a like, click on subscribe, leave a comment, and as always, if you want to see these videos early, consider becoming a channel member in the link down below. More to do on this car. See you in another video again soon. Bye bye.